Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by inserting Logic Pro's limiter on the track or master bus. Select Audio FX, then Dynamics, then Limiter. Place it last so it controls the final peak. Set the input gain conservatively to prevent prelimiter clipping, because the limiter should only catch transients. Once inserted, familiarize yourself with gain, output, and look-ahead controls so you know what each does. This early setup prevents distortion and gives you predictable headroom to shape loudness without crushing dynamics. Now focus on the limiter's core controls to sculpt loudness and transparency. Reduce the threshold until you see gain reduction on loud peaks. You want consistent peaks without excessive reduction. Increase look-ahead by a few milliseconds to let the limiter react before transients hit, which reduces distortion. Make sure not to overdo it and introduce latency. Adjust release so longer notes breathe naturally but fast material doesn't pump. Once done, alternate solo and mix, listening to judge musical impact and balance. Finish by setting the output ceiling, often -0. 1 dB, to avoid intersample clipping on exports and tweak makeup or gain to restore perceived loudness. Compare A&B between limited and bypassed to ensure dynamics and tone remain musical. Use metering and reference tracks for context. If you hear pumping or distortion, reduce the amount of gain reduction, lengthen release, or back off input gain. If you encounter latency or phase issues, lower look-ahead and recheck alignment in the mix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.